Embrace the energy and charm of Ho Chi Minh City, a city full of life, culture, and history. Welcome to a journey that invites you to explore the heart and soul of this vibrant Vietnamese city at your own pace. You can easily do your own walking tour of Ho Chi Minh, especially if you're limited on time as a first-time visitor. This self-guided tour promises to unveil the rich offerings of Ho Chi Minh City, guiding you through iconic landmarks and hidden cultural gems of this captivating destination. So buckle up for an experience that combines the old and the new, offering a glimpse into the unique tapestry of Ho Chi Minh City's past and present. You don't need a tour guide or local guide unless you want to wander away from District 1. Let's embark on a discovery that crosses time and tradition, promising an unforgettable exploration of one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic cities. This walking tour is perfect if you've only got a day to explore Ho Chi Minh as it showcases the top sights.
Embark on a self-guided walking tour through the vibrant city of Ho Chi Minh, once known as Saigon, and let its rich history and culture captivate you. Begin your journey at the War Remnants Museum to gain a deeper understanding of the country's past. Be awestruck by the architectural marvels such as the Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon and the Central Post Office. Marvel at the grandeur of the Ho Chi Minh City Hall and the iconic Bitexco Tower, then wander through the bustling Ben Thanh Market. Conclude your adventure at the serene Jade Emperor Pagoda in District 3. Immerse yourself in the energy and beauty of Ho Chi Minh as you meander through its bustling streets, taking in the vibrant sights and sounds of this dynamic city.